A very good morning to you all. This is Ambassador Sweetness, Ego Good Glory. I just want to show you what has been happening for the past 2-3 days. Okay, sometimes it's important you show your back end to know what is happening. Not just posting how much you are making. This sports trading is very, very vital for anybody who wants to earn money every single day. Yes, you heard me right. Every single day. I mean, why do you do all the investments that you do? All those places you put your money and all that, and then they pay you every day, maybe 1%, 2% and all that. Why do you do it? It's not because of money. Why do you go to work? It's not because of the same money. The only reason why we do what we do, okay, is because of money. So here is a place where you can make between 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 naira every single day. Now, if you're a single guy and all you make every day is 3,000 naira every day, that's 90,000 naira every month. I don't know which company is going to pay you that here in Lagos. I mean, for your degree, your 4-5 years in school. All right. So while you keep looking for that job that may never come and learn this skill for just 22,500 naira. That's all you get to pay. All right. You learn this skill, and with this skill, you can be making as much as 6,000 up to 10,000. Somebody in my group that I've trained, Ambassador Tunde, made over 10,000 naira within 4 hours. Yes, within 4 hours. You heard that right. Within 4 hours. This is a business that you can rake in any amount you want to rake in. You determine how much you want to make. So these are my trades. Today is 11th, as you can see right there. Today is 11th. Okay, accounts don't lie. Today is 11th. All right, as you can see right there. Okay, so there's so much to be made in this platform. So you see that it comes in trickles because there's a professional training that you will receive. All right, there's a professional training you have to receive. You don't just come. We don't do gambling here. All right, we don't do tubu mesa. We don't do guesswork. All right, it's a serious calculation. Now, this calculation that I'm going to train you on is 99.99% accurate if you apply it appropriately. All right, so it's going to be giving you trickles of money coming in: 200 naira, 450, 200 naira, 250, 220, 200, 70 naira. You see, as small as 70 naira. That's like over 10 packs of recharge card for those who are selling recharge card. Okay, you make a lot of money. It comes in trickles. You can see that that's very small. 120 naira, 200 naira. Look at that, 32 naira. It comes in trickles, but at the end of the day, today alone, I'm trading with just 10,000 naira in my wallet every single day, and I cash out. Look at that. I've made over 4,000 naira this morning. This is good business, ladies and gentlemen. I've made over 4,000 naira this morning, and I'm still trading. It's still morning. This is just, as at the time I'm recording this video, is just about some few minutes to the hours of 11 o'clock. So you can do this in the night if you are working all day. You can do it in the mornings if you are off. Just take your time and do this. All right. So it's a beautiful thing to do. It's a very beautiful thing to do. I just want to say how many trades I've done today. These are my trades. Okay, I lost that 100 naira. It's quite okay. That's trading for you. Probably the mathematics did not enter for that particular one. All right, another 100 naira was lost here as well. That's okay. That's why it's called trading. So today alone, I've done how many trades? That's one. This was yesterday 10th. All right, this was yesterday 10th. All right, this was yesterday 10th, and it was good business too. I did my cash out. This was yesterday, and even on the night, I could take you down to on the night, and so on and so forth, down the lane. Sorry, okay, down the lane. All right, this was night. A lot of money made in. You keep cashing out. So I just want to see what I've done today. All right, today is the 11th day of September 2022. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 trades. I've engaged 36 trades. The minimum trades every trader should do in a day is 50 trades. And those 50 trades, believe me, you will get 6,000 plus every single day. And your withdrawal is very simple. You just cash out very smoothly. You want me to do that for you? Just cash out. You just come here. You click withdraw. Then you come put in your bank. It's so simple. And then you put in, I want to cash out 4,500. Okay, my target every day is 6,000 naira, so I just have 1,500 left to work for the day. So I click on cash out, and then it's going to my bank. It's almost instant. That's all. And then the money is gone. Straight, it hits my bank almost immediately. It's gone. Withdrawal succeeded. So this is the beauty of this business. Imagine you earning 4,500 naira every day. Even if you don't hit your target of 6,000. There are days when I'm so tired, or probably I was engaged with family and all that. I do only 3,000 naira. That is still good money coming to you every day. Think about what you can do. Like I told the people in my Zenith Go-Getters Club group, all right, by the end of this month, I'm going to be sharing something with them. I'm going to teach a lot of people what you can actually do with this business. Imagine you earning 4,500 naira every single day in a month. That is over 120,000 naira. Ladies and gentlemen, this is possible at the Zenith Go-Getters Club. So we not only teach this, we can also teach you Forex, crypto, digital marketing. We train you on how to do network marketing the right way, selling your wellness products and all that. There's a whole lot that happens here at the Zenith Go-Getters Club. Please, if this is your first time of joining this channel, do well to like this video, and of course, share it to other persons who might need this opportunity to live a life. All right, everybody is about the money. It's about the Benjamin. So this is a place where you can make money. You are in control. Why I love this skill is that you are in control. You determine if anything goes wrong, it's your fault. You don't have to start blaming people. You give somebody 100,000 to pay you 5% every day, and something happens, it crash. You now look for another money to go and put in another investment program. No, here with just 5,000 naira minimum, you can start trading and making good money for yourself to take care of not just yourself, for your family, and achieve your dreams. All right, you can achieve your dreams. That's the truth. If you make 6,000 naira every day here and you save 2,000 naira every day out of the 6,000 naira, in a year, you would have saved almost 800,000 naira. And you can do business with that. You can open a big business with that. So what are you talking about? All it requires is self-discipline. So if you are ready, you want to learn this skill, why not jump on it? Let's get rolling. It's just 22,500, and that's a promo price. The price will soon be going up for those who do not take it seriously right about now. But if you are here and you truly want to make money, a lot of people say they want to make money, but when they get the opportunity to make money, they draw back because they're not financially intelligent or they don't have capacity. Okay, so if you truly want to make money, this is a golden opportunity for you to do that. It's so much. There's so much to be made here at the Zenith Go-Getters Club. I do not want this video to be too lengthy. Just want to make it less than 10 minutes so that we can enjoy ourselves. So by the way, if you want to know what skills you'll be trained on, it's very simple. We have it here at the Zenith Go-Getters Club. This is the group. Okay, this is the group. It's a very powerful place. Very powerful place. You will learn all the skills you need to know. All the skills you need to know will be taught you right here. Wonderful skills that are changing lives today. You will be taught every bit of them. All right. By the way, we have our membership. All right, we have a membership forum for those who cannot trade but want to earn every day. Why not come on board with 55,000 naira? We pay you 1% every day, every week, 5% every week for 12 months. And those who come on board with 120,000 naira, we pay you 2% every week, 10% every week for 12 months. Terms and conditions apply for those who cannot trade. All right, we trade while you earn. Great opportunity awaits everyone on this platform. If you are wondering what skills are you going to be taught, here you have it. You're going to be taught all this: introduction to sports trading, understanding the e-football, understanding fundamental analysis. You'll be taught everything you need to know. So it's a proper training. It's not something we just come and do guesswork like all those guys are doing in Bet Naija shop. You use 100 naira to bet a long sleep. What are you doing? Come and learn a particular trade here, and then they say one cut. Just put your life on lock. This is not luck. This is calculation. All right, this is not luck. We don't live our lives based on luck. We live our life based on mathematics. So there's a mathematical algorithm that I'll be teaching everybody. Sure banker, overdogs and underdogs, understanding sports trading psychology and all that. We'll teach you everything from top to bottom, and of course, we will also mentor you from time to time. All it takes is just 22,500 naira. You pay to our registered bank account. Then you go get that one. It's fully registered with CAC. So it's a place to be. Please be orderly. Do things right. If you're joining for the first time, there are links in the description for you to join in to the group, and also use same link to invite others to the platform. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, I don't want this video to be too lengthy, and I'm going to be keeping it as simple as it should be. So think about what all this little money, 270, 180, 200, blah, 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 can do for you. All right, it can put food on your table. Ladies and gentlemen, it will not only put food on your table, you can use this to achieve your dreams if you are a disciplined person like I am. Thank you very much, and may God bless you.